honey with book and make mommy. How baby how mommy.
Yes, baby.
Mommy how mommy how to make up. How to
Sesame oil. Onion. Oh, stop that kind of noise. Sorry, not ginger. Garlic and pepper paste. Oh, I'm talking about this.
that's why that's everything.
Yeah.
That like be a good idea.
Carrot.
Alright, like a piece of meat comes so good because guys, it's just so good. Why do you get off? Hopefully everybody sees that's only me. You have to be everybody. Ooh.
You have to bring bell peppers. You can use different colors. This is what I have in my fridge. And then some zucchinis. Also, oyster sauce. Hoisin sauce. Tiny amount of fish sauce. Not even up to 1 teaspoon. A little cooking wine. Then I'm going to add back the meat. Little bit of chicken stock. You can use beef if you want. Just a little bit because we only soaked our noodles. We did not cook the noodles. So now I introduce the noodles. Turn it and let it stir fry. If you're allergic to nuts, skip this part. Some cashew nuts. You want to scallions. That's green onion. Okay guys, it's done. And it's so good. The noodles are chewy enough. Not too hard, not soggy. Yeah. Alright, try it and let me know what you think.